Very good morning, good afternoon actually. So today is September 11th and time is at about 2:18. So I was mostly doing Sensex in the morning and I continue to do that. So in the two accounts that I have, one account I pretty much closed all the trades with some profit, but the other account I'm running. So now if you look at the what is happening in the Sensex today. So today I saw the 15 minutes candle is quite a unusual candle. If you look at the screen here, so this is Sensex, and then so I was really hoping this wouldn't break today. So this is 15 minutes. I think I have this little ORB indicator which I created some time back. I started using that today morning. Again, this is very situational, so there is no right or wrong thing, right? So as of now, this is kind of holding on, and with I think it tried to touch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, probably 9 into 15. 1.5 hours or so. So did not move above this except one little candle here, which in fact went till 6:41. But I think anything can happen as we are looking at the screen currently. This is also trying to break, but I'll actually put some probably half of this, right? So it's about 6:20. I will put a indicator in case or alert in case if this hits, I'll have to exit some of my positions. So currently I'm at 81,600 and 81,500. So those are all the two positions that I'm in currently. This is 81,600. In fact, here perhaps I think try to move somewhere. Let's see. now I now I'm actually I'm using trade flows. It automatically moved to 81,600 straddle, but I know maintaining straddle at this point of time is very difficult. So I will again move back to, I'll take out the price difference. In fact, I'll share the screen in a moment. So as of now, I will move back to 81,500. I'll probably stay on the strangle. So I think there is definitely one little spike, and then again it came back. So let's look at my positions once I will move trade flow here. All right. So I'm on the trade flow at this point of time. So as you can see, I'm at 81,000 C and then 81,500 C. I have definitely heavy loaded hedges in case if something goes wrong. I would not be getting into too much of a losses. So that's the main intention. I'm still betting on expiring below 81,600, but yeah, we never know, right? So anything can happen. So as of now, I have very equal positions, and then as you can see from the panel, I tried to hit about 2,000 twice, and then it again came back. It's I think about 2,100. Sorry, apologies, 2 lakhs, 10,000 or so. Maybe. So if I stay on, this is the risk management or the what do you say, the risk and reward, right? So if I stay on, I'll get about 1 more lakh. If I exit, I will exit with about 2 lakhs. So I will stay on for some time and then see. Maybe I'll reduce the positions and then see where I stand. And one more account, I have exited about 1.3 lakhs profit or so. So I do not want to. In the penultimate hours, in the final hours, I think it's very difficult to manage two accounts. So that's the reason I chose to exit the trade. So let's keep watching this, and then I'll again come back to this one in a moment. So, but let's look at what really happened today, right? So I think this is pretty much hovering around this, and there could be breakout any point of time, either up or down, I do not know. But then one very quick observation I made was, let's look at, usually Reliance is used for Sensex. So there was a heavy loaded buying in the first 5 minutes. If I actually go to the 5 minutes chart, you will, I know it's a little cluttered, but I'm used to this So there is a heavy loaded 5 minutes chart here. Sorry, 5 minutes candle here. My assumption is it would actually, this is basically a could be used for manipulation. I'm not very sure. But then ideally this should in fact end within this price zone. So whoever bought, they eventually would like to dump it before the expiry gets over. I think the same thing we can actually see for HDFC as well. HDFC also we had a very big, in fact it's not even visible, so very big 5 minutes candle in the starting of the day, and same thing with the ICSA as well. So ICSA also we have a very big candle in the starting of the day. I think my view is it should probably close somewhere here. So uh, somewhere within this zone, so it shouldn't really cross. Let's say suppose if I go back to 15 minutes here. So ideally all the three stocks, they should close within the that 15 minutes zone. So this is pretty much there, which is ICICI. Let's look at Reliance. Reliance is within the 15 minutes zone, and then we also have the HDFC. HDFC is not within the 15 minutes zone, but that's all right. So usually my view, Reliance is used to uh, play around with the Sensex, whoever has the money. So we do not have so much money, so we'll have to follow what these guys do, whoever doing this buying the first 5 minutes candle, right? So that's all. I think that's a sweet and small video again. And again, I think if I go back to uh, trade flow again, let's show that. All right. So this is where it is at this point of time. So I do not have too many conditions here. So so CE 420. In fact, yesterday I had almost 3,000 quantity. I have reduced it today. That's the reason you got to see. It's very difficult to make at least 2 lakhs with 1,500 quantity. But that's all right. So as of now, I do not have any conditions except, in fact, I had one condition here, which is with 50% difference. But I have removed it for now. So what it does is, in case if the difference between these two becomes 37, that's where it would actually one of the leg would actually move closer. But then I'll just keep it in case if it becomes straddle. I again have to move back. So that's the reason I removed that condition at this point of time. If it is, for example, 81,700, maybe I would have put that condition because I have some more playground to play there, but right now it's very close. So generally I'm not very good with managing straddle, so that's the reason that kind of an apprehension. I can also move to 81,700 and then stay, which is I think probably a lot more peaceful. But at the same time I'm also betting on 81,000, below 81,600 expiry, so that's the reason I still stayed on that. So I'm also looking at the combined premium chart on Insta options. So let me actually share that screen also. It's actually not too. All right. So let me bring this screen also here. Yeah, paste here. I think my MacBook is crying. All right. So this is Insta options. So I think I need to have a view of trade flow. Otherwise, I will miss out on some triggers. Okay, so trade flow is working on the other screen. So now let me open this Insta options, right? So, all right. So as of now, this is what it is. I think this is going up, 81,600. But as of now, I don't put any condition. So let's see. This is if it goes to 81,610 or 20. That's where I will be a bit worried. But right now, I think that's all right. So I'll be able to manage. I think that's all. As of now, the profit looks like about 2 lakhs 07. So this is this position was not taken fully today. I had this position yesterday as well, but then morning there was a decay. There was a very good decay. That's where it was able to make some money. So But originally when I started, I was on 81,800 and then also 81,000 actually. So these are all the two places that I was. Anyway, there was a massive decay after this, right? So that's the reason I could able to make some money. So I think that's all. Have a great remaining day. Bye bye.